Hi, so today I wanted to give you a little support for your lungs. We're going to use a sound to help clear out the lungs. The sound is a bunch of S's. It's like a hissing sound. And that sound is really important because it pulls out toxicity out of the lungs, pulls out heaviness out of the lungs. It could be emotions like grief or sadness, blame or shame, anything that's kind of depressive energies. Especially the ones that overwhelm us. It doesn't have to be regular emotions. Those just kind of flow through us, but when they get stuck, this is a great way to get them moving again so that we can open up our breathing and support our overall vitality. So, to do that, let's just make sure you have a nice upright posture. And we're going to begin with something called pulling down the heavens. So, we're going to use our palms of our hands, and imagine they're like suction cups. Let's inhale and grab some energy from the earth. Turn them forward and imagine grabbing energy from nature all around you. Turn them up and grab some from the sky. And now we're going to use that energy and let's wash it over the body, over the front of your body. And imagine any stress, any tension beginning to wash away down into the earth. Let's do that again. Inhale, gathering from earth, from nature, from the sky above. And let's give a little wash down the back of the head. Imagine your awareness there, back of the neck, shoulders, spine, buttocks and legs, all the way down to the earth. And a third time, inhale, gathering earth, nature, and the sky above. Let's open the crown, imagine cleaning the brain and the throat and the chest, and the abdomen, the pelvis and the legs, down through the center of the feet, through the feet, and sending any toxicity into the earth. And then bring your hands up to your chest, focusing on your lungs, and take a few nice deep breaths. And just say hello to the lungs. And we're going to help the lungs with that S sound, or you can also make an SH sound, like shh, like telling a small child to be quiet. And let's begin to move the stuck energy here. So let's do it with a posture. So we're going to bring our hands along the side of the face. Looks a little bit like jazz hands. Slight gaze upward. Take a breath in and exhale the sound. Exhaling until the lungs are empty, and then bring the hands back to the chest. Begin to breathe only with the nose, and bring your focus here and imagine a beautiful white color coming into your lungs. A beautiful, vibrant white color. And you can even imagine like a white rose, a white flower, something that's alive and vibrant, that's a white color, and just visualize that. If you're not able to see it, you can always just work with your intention. Intention is very powerful. And I'll bring some more support to the lungs. And now let's clear them out again with the sound. So hands go along the side of the face, slight gaze upward, big breath in. On the exhale. Wonderful. Get a sense of how that helps to release tension out of the lungs. And then pause and breathe, focusing on your lungs as you rest your hands on the upper chest, visualizing a beautiful white light coming in, working with that intention as you breathe in and out through the nose. The sound is very clearing, and the color is very, what we call tonifying or energizing. So together they work and balance out the energy of the lungs. Good. Let's do that one more time. So bring your hands along the side of the face, looking upward. Big breath in. Exhale the sound. Get a sense of all that tension leaving on the breath, on the sound, and then hands float back. Rest on your chest, focusing on the lungs beneath, inside, and filling them up with that white color. Working with that intention. And smile to your lungs. And then slowly let your hands drop down. And now let's do another pulling down the heavens. So we're going to breathe in and gather more energy from earth, from nature, from the sky above. And let's give a little wash down the front. And we'll gather any excess that's not needed now. Let's imagine placing that right at the belly, and any tension that remains, we'll send it down into the earth. Inhale, gathering earth, nature, and the sky above, and we'll focus on the back of the body. Back of the head, neck, back of your lungs, all the way down. Gathering anything at the navel that you want to keep, and anything that doesn't serve you, release that through your feet. And a final time, inhale, earth, nature, sky above. Let's open the crown, right through the brain, through the throat and the chest, through the center of your lungs, bringing that excess to the navel, and any tension, just release that into the earth. And just have a moment just to breathe and smile. And feel free to do that every day if you need to. It's a wonderful way to keep your lungs in tip-top shape. So I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.